show you how. I said in one of my videos before, I use water bottle with like that. I do that. Then outside in.
Welcome. That's serious? I don't even see it. I used to say used to be.
Guys, welcome to Valrie and I Can Help. I'll be doing some Pak Choi and I'll show you how to cut the Pak Choi. Okay, I have them washed and I'm gonna do it like this. I separate the green from the white. Put it in the colander. Okay.
So you cut it as a slant?
Yeah.
Or can you cut it straight way, or this is just how you do it personally?
Yeah. When it's like this, it looks crumpy.
Okay.
So this when you cook it, it looks attractive in the plate.
Okay.
I just cut it like this. I'll show you some of this.
I realize that you don't do this very small like you do for the callaloo. You do it not big, but like medium size almost.
Yeah, because the Pak Choi is a little different from the callaloo. Callaloo you have to cut that fine, but for the Pak Choi no, it's a little different. So.
Okay. And you do that slant also?
Yeah. See, so when you cook it,
What would happen if you cut it finer? It's almost like it would be lost.
yeah, and then I can show you. When you do this, you're gonna have a little green, a little white to it.
So it gives it a decent mix.
Yeah.
Instead of
Yes,
having
it
all
does.
greens at the top, all
Exactly.
whites at the bottom.
Yeah. Looks good. So when you cook it and plate it, put it in the plate, it looks good. All right, I show you the other one with this. Some people cut it like this.
But if you know anything about Pak Choi, once it hits,
You see the little bite?
yes.
It not give that nice Yeah.
because when you hit that with some steam or heat, it's gonna coil so small that it's gonna just look almost lost, like just a mush of green, instead of having the nice, kind of like spinach, how you keep spinach in its own big leafy stance, so that when you're eating it, it's not like,
See? The difference?
Yeah.
So when you do this now, you take up a portion and it cook, it still look,
Right.
you have a portion.
Like if you were to serve it, it would look something like that, like it gives you more volume wise. Even a small portion. I see what you mean.
Yeah, see. So I don't like this because when this cook, it just lost.
Like it's just one big thing of mush instead of you being like, oh, I'm having a nice crunchy Pak Choi.
Yeah. So back to my
Slant.
yes. I like it this way. These Pak Choi up here, they're very fat.
Fat.
Yeah. The ones back home there, they're not so fat.
Is that good or bad? It's like you get more for your money.
No, I don't think so. It's more fertilizer for your money.
Fertilizer for your money. Right.
The one back home there. Very
Natural, yeah.
Yep. So just slant.
And I think this goes much faster than the callaloo did.
Yeah. Because this is much easier.
And how would you store this after you're finished if you're not going to cook it right away?
You can put it in your freezer.
Just the same?
Or you can have it in the fridge, but not for a long time because it's going to change color.
Yeah, it's going
Brown,
to, yeah.
So it's best you keep it whole until you're ready to use it, then you just do it. Or if you want to freeze it, but I don't like when it's freezed because it's Pak Choi is in a lot of water.
Yeah.
So when it's frozen and you cook it, it's just
Water.
and it looks flat.
Yeah. It's best to cut it, cook it right away.
Exactly. See? That's what I do. Give it that nice combination. Guys, this is the way, if you're making chop suey, this is the way you cut it as well.
We should do a video on that. Chicken chop suey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten it for a long time. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Add a little carrot to this. Yep.
Gonna lead with some saltfish or some salt mackerel or just as is.
But I like this with curry.
Curry?
In a curry dish, I like to use Pak Choi.
We should have done that for the previous video.
Yeah,
But we use
use
string beans. Yeah.
Just a little. You have to have a little green in the dish. So when you cut the carrot, now I had it to it, you cut the carrot in strips.
Just the same?
Yeah.
So it's like uniformed.
So if you're adding carrot to this, you can either have this just as it is, when you cook it, or you can add carrots to it.
Okay.
Yeah. but then you just do your carrot in strips, not too thick, very like you're doing escovitch fish, where you use the type of way you cut the carrot for escovitch fish. Yeah.
I wonder if we could do one of those brines in a container, how they normally do escovitch. Could do a brine.
Oh.
The nice brine. Ideas.
Oh, you mean like the
Liquid brine that after right, pick a pepper.
Oh, yeah, I'd have to get some pepper,
Some scotchy.
yes, and some. I will have pimento seed and some chocho,
Cha.
some carrot.
Carrots.
My own. Yes. But guys, this is a good way to something different to cut your pak choi. When you cook it, you'll see how it looks nice. This is the combination. It just blends in, other than you cut it like this. Cut it like this, it lost. So guys, I'm on the last part of cutting up the pak choi. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie and the Jamaican Help. One love in a jam down. Chris. Everything Chris.
What do you say, Harry?
Irie man.
Oh wow.
Everything Chris.
Okay.
Everything Chris. Irie means
All is good.
yes, all is good. Take it down.